Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find magnification options and how to turn it on in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To look for magnification options, we have to go to Settings, then in Accessibility Options, here we have Visibility Enhancements menu. If we scroll down a little bit, we have Magnification. And here it is. Here we have a little tutorial what to do, and we simply turn our shortcut here, and we have it here. To adjust our screen, we can, using two fingers, move our magnification, or we can just adjust our magnification quite a bit by pinching. To turn it off, simply tap this little shortcut button. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.